Hi guys, my name is Twinkle. Welcome back to my channel. So today is the day 2 for 9 days 9 looks, and I'm wearing very basic outfit like a black top and basic skirt, and I'm gonna pair this very simple outfit with like a red bandage dupatta you'll see at the end. And this look is dedicated to all my basic makeup lover girls who love to do basic makeup, and to all the girls who are either not Gujarati or who doesn't own any traditional outfit for Navratri but loves to play Garba. So this look is dedicated to you. So I've already filled my eyebrows and I'm gonna prime my face. I'm using a NYX Pore Filler Primer. I find that this has like a very weird texture, but it does the job. And it actually fills my pores. So I'm gonna take a generous amount and rub between my fingers and just apply it on my T-zone because that's where I have my all pores. And whatever is left, you can just bring it down to your whole face. I'm actually gonna remove my earrings because I'm doing my makeup, and at the end I'll wear them. For foundation and concealer, I'm gonna use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation because my outfit is simple, so I want my makeup to talk. So I'm gonna use a full coverage foundation, and for concealer I'm gonna use my Eyeshadow Palette. So I'm just gonna give it a good shake. Oh, and I'll be using the Real Technique sponge. So I've taken like a very little amount and it does the job amazing. So let's just start doing it. So as you can see, it covers everything, but I still have to do my eyes and some problem areas, so a little bit extra. So now I'm gonna take this Eyeshadow palette and I'm actually gonna mix the shade 2 and 3. So I'm first gonna apply it with my fingers and then blend it with the Miracle sponge. I feel like this concealer is not working with this foundation, but we'll manage. I'm actually gonna take a flat brush and blend my lid concealer. Yeah, I think it works better with the brushes. Now it's looking much better. To set my whole face, I'm gonna use Makeup Revolution Luxury Powder in the shade Banana. You have seen me using this a lot many times. I'm using it for like quite a long time now. So I'm just gonna take some powder in my hand and just take my wet sponge and just try to bake it a little bit. Now actually I'm gonna quickly blend this because I don't want to sit it for too long. I feel like it gave me some coverage maybe. Now I will quickly contour, blush and highlight my face. So for blush, I'm using Urban Color Fresh Coral Blush, and this actually has sheen, so it will give me like an highlighting effect. I'm actually just gonna take some on my brush, just dust off the excess. This comes with a mirror, so it's very easy to apply blush. It gave me like highlighting, contouring sort of effect. It does like 3-in-1 job. I'm gonna do my highlighter. I'm gonna take any random brush and do my highlighting. And for highlighter, I used Ofra Star Island highlighter. Now comes the contouring. And to contour my face, I'm gonna use actually an eye palette. This is the Wet n Wild Comfort Zone eye palette. And I'm gonna use this shade to contour my face. Usually that's what I do when I'm in a hurry. Can you see the difference? It blends beautifully. The shade matches me perfectly. It's looking beautiful. Now comes the eyes, and for eyes I'm gonna use the same palette, and I'm going to take this shade as my base and transition, whatever you call it. I'm gonna grab my mirror. Concentrating my brush with the color I use for my contour. That's looking nice. Now I'm going to take this brown shade and do my outer V with it. I'm using the same brush because I'm comfortable using it. To deepen it, I'm gonna use this shade, and at the end I'm gonna mix this gray, blue, black. I'm gonna swatch it and show you the shade. This is like a hint of blue with a little bit of black. I don't know, this shade. Yeah, it's beautiful. So I'm gonna take this shade and deepen my outer V or crease, or actually both. Now comes the interesting part. I'm going to take this golden shade and apply it all over my lid. This instantly changed the whole look. I'm actually gonna use my finger to concentrate it more. I think it's done. I'm gonna take the same highlighter to do my inner corners. Some people may find it too bold, but it's very simple to do, very easy, yet it looks very elegant. So I'm gonna line my eyes and do mascara very quickly. So for eyeliner, I'm gonna use this Eyeko I Do Liquid Liner. My eyeliner is done. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply mascara. And for mascara, I'm gonna use MAC in Extreme Dimension Lash. And it's a beautiful mascara I have ever used. I love the wand. It's looking amazing. I'm actually gonna wear my earrings. Apply my favorite bindi. because my dupatta is red, so I'm gonna apply red bindi. And you see it instantly changes your look. Now I'm gonna apply lipstick, and for lipstick I am gonna mix two shades and both of them are red. So first is in the shade Powerhouse. This is from the Creole Rouge. I have used this zillion times while doing my makeup. And this is in the shade Drenched Red. This is the Lakme Absolute Argan Oil range, and this is beautiful. So usually what I like to do is I apply any of my favorite bullet lipstick, like similar from the same family, and then I top it off with any liquid lipstick of the same family, of course. So that way it helps you last your lipstick longer and you don't have to worry while you play Garba. Can you see it changed the look? I'm actually gonna top it off with this. This is like my favorite combination of red. And now I'm actually gonna do a very interesting thing. This is optional. This is completely optional. So I'm gonna take my eyeliner, and this I do it on every Navratri. If I'm getting ready, I do it with every outfit, every year, every time. So I like to take my eyeliner and make like 3 dots. I know it's barely visible. I actually like to just dot it here, and it looks like very aesthetic, very Navratri friendly. And I think I am pretty much done, and this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm actually gonna do my hair and come back and show you finally how it looks with the dupatta and everything. So this is how it looks. I'm wearing like a silver junk jewelry, which I'm sure every one of you have, and it looks very Navratri friendly. I have topped it with red bandage dupatta. I'm gonna pin it in a while, and I did messy bun again. Usually that's what I like to do while playing Garba, because you don't have to worry about your hair, and I sometimes do hairdos, but this is how it turned out today. And I hope you guys enjoyed, and if it's too bold then let me know. I can do more basic look, but at least this is what you need in Navratri, because your outfit is too simple, so you want your makeup to talk. And yeah, this is it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Happy Navratri, and still more looks are left. So I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Till then, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, and enjoy.